Well, hey, lovies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to see you. I am Sarah Martin, and I am the Contoured Chemist. And if you're here today, you might be wondering what all the hype is with Maskcara Beauty. And if you've heard of our 3D foundation, you're kind of probably wondering what the next step is if you want to get some for yourself. So today I'm going to be talking about all the simple steps in the color matching process. If you want to try out Maskcara Beauty, it's really easy to get a custom color match, and I'm going to show you step by step today and why I need what I need from you. So keep watching if that's you, and let's just go for it. Okay, while you're here, please like this video and hit that subscribe button, because once you get your makeup, you're going to want to know all the tips and tricks, and that's where I come in. So like this, subscribe, and that way you will see every single video I post weekly on mascara. Okay, let's get into it. So you probably are wondering why you just can't go online and order some for yourself. Okay, don't make the same mistake I did. When I first saw mascara, I was like, that can't be that hard. I can figure out my own colors. I know makeup. I mean, I was like obsessed with makeup. So I was like, I can do it myself. I even researched, you guys, for probably 2 weeks with all their color matching charts and things I could find online. And let me tell you, without a knowledge of how this makeup works, you're gonna get the wrong colors. Every chart in the world, even artists will tell you, it is not that easy to figure it out, because this makeup behaves differently on people's skin than traditional liquids and powder foundations. So you have to know how the makeup works. You have to know a lot about skin type and undertone, and that's where training comes in on the artist's behalf. And how long they've had experience with this makeup is a big thing in this game. So our founder made it an artist program because she knew if this was a product on the shelf at Sephora, it would confuse women. It would be difficult for them to figure out what colors they needed, and she didn't want it to be something that was overwhelming to women. She wanted this to make their life easier, not more difficult. So she started the artist program so that people like me who are trained can help you and be your own personal makeup artist. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? So I've been trained by the best color matcher in the company. So I am extremely confident, and my specialty is color matching from photos, okay? And the only thing I need from you is a fantastic selfie, okay? You don't have to look fantastic, okay? You will after you get this makeup. What you need is a good lit picture with everything I need to see to get you your perfect colors. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so how do you take the perfect selfie? I'm gonna show you. If you're anything like me, you might be thinking, I am not going to send my makeup-free face to a stranger. Like, I do not want anyone to see me like that. Girl, I get it. I've been there. I did the same thing, and I ordered the wrong colors. So trust me, I have seen it all, and you are beautiful without makeup, even if you don't think you are. So if it makes you feel a little comfortable, a little bit more comfortable, put on some eye makeup, put on some lip gloss, do your brows, do your hair, whatever you have to do to make you confident. But leave that skin completely clean, bare, no filters, no makeup, so I can see what you got going on, okay? I wanna see the colors under your eyes. I wanna see if you have hyperpigmentation. I need to see that neck and the chest to see what we gotta match up. It is very important to see all the things in all the glory. So I'm gonna show you how to take a selfie. So first thing, no makeup. Second thing, go to a window, because natural light is our best friend, okay? So I'm gonna show you. This is in front of blinds that are not open. no bueno. Do you see how I have shadowing on this side of my face? Okay, you might be able to see coloring over here, but I can't see what's going on over here. So when you step in front of a open window, or you can go in front of an open door, I can see you in true light. Now, if I get too close, I don't know if you can tell on this, you can get blown out. So I always recommend taking a few steps back, and it makes sure that you look even, and you want to look like you do, like your skin looks naturally. Okay. So face that window directly, take a few steps back so your skin doesn't get washed out, and hold your phone at eye level. Okay, this is important so that I can see your full neck, and I prefer to also see your chest. Okay, sometimes that makes a difference in certain people. Okay, so then smile and take that picture. As long as you have no shadows on your face and you take that photo and then you look at it. It's important you know you more than anyone. Look at it. Does your skin look true to color than what you see in everyday life? If not, try a different window. Take several till you find a picture that you think represents your skin tone the best, and then send it my way. All right, so once you have that perfect picture, I need you to go fill out my color match questionnaire. This is where I learn about your skin type and how you like to wear your makeup, so I can give you application techniques to try. So to find this, either look below in the description, my Instagram link, or on my website under color match. You can attach your photo here or email it to me. Okay. So once you've taken the perfect photo and I receive that and your color matching questionnaire, I will get an in-depth recommendation because I'm a little type A, I apologize. Within 24 hours, your color match recommendations from me, customized just for your face, how you like to wear your makeup, and your skin type, okay? So I take a lot of time and I make sure everything I recommend will give you the results you want. Okay, then after that, you get to do the fun part, and that's shop. So pick out all the stuff that you want, and then you just get to wait for a happy nail day. Who doesn't love that, right? And then I will walk you through the entire process. I send you all my tips and tricks, and I am here for you at every step to make sure that you love your makeup and that your routine is easy, fast, and perfect for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, message me below, shoot me an email, and I would be happy to help you out. So hopefully you have a great day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.